Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the keto diet. For those who don't know, the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. So, how does it work? The idea behind the keto diet is to get your body into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body is burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This is achieved by drastically reducing your intake of carbohydrates and replacing them with fats. There are a few benefits to following a keto diet. One of the main benefits is weight loss. By cutting out carbs and increasing your fat intake, your body is more likely to start burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of the keto diet is improved brain function. When you're in ketosis, your brain is able to use ketones as an alternative energy source, which can lead to improved focus and concentration. On the keto diet, you'll focus on eating foods that are high in healthy fats and moderate in protein, while keeping your carb intake very low. Some examples of foods to eat on the diet include avocados, nuts, seeds, eggs, meat, and leafy green vegetables. Here are a few ideas for keto-friendly meals. 1. Avocado egg boats. Cut an avocado in half and remove the pit. Crack an egg into each half and bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the egg is cooked to your liking. 2. Keto cheeseburger casserole. Cook ground beef in a pan and season with salt and pepper. In a separate pan, fry some diced onions and diced bell peppers. Combine the beef, onions, bell peppers, and shredded cheese in a casserole dish and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. 3. Zucchini noodles with tomato sauce. Use a spiralizer to turn zucchini into noodles. Sauté the noodles in a pan with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Top with your favorite tomato sauce and some grated Parmesan cheese. 4. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. Make cauliflower rice by grating a head of cauliflower or pulsing it in a food processor. Stir-fry the cauliflower rice in a pan with some diced chicken or tofu, vegetables of your choice, and a sauce made from coconut aminos, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. 5. Keto smoothie. Blend together unsweetened almond milk, avocado, frozen spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and a few drops of vanilla extract for a quick and easy keto-friendly smoothie. While it is possible to get all the nutrients your body needs from whole foods on the keto diet, some people may choose to use supplements to help support their health on the diet. One type of supplement that is often used on the keto diet is MCT oil. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, which are a type of fat that is easily converted into ketones by the liver. MCT oil can be added to drinks or used in cooking as a replacement for other oils. Some people find that MCT oil helps to increase energy and mental clarity on the keto diet. Another supplement that is commonly used on the keto diet is exogenous ketones. Exogenous ketones are ketones that are taken in supplement form and can help to increase ketone levels in the body. This may be helpful for people who are just starting the keto diet and are still in the process of transitioning into ketosis. Electrolyte supplements, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, are also often used on the keto diet. The keto diet may lead to an increased loss of electrolytes, and supplementing with electrolytes can help to prevent deficiencies and alleviate symptoms of the keto flu, which is a group of symptoms that some people experience when transitioning into ketosis. Protein powder is another supplement that is sometimes used on the keto diet. Protein powder can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, but it's important to choose a product that is low in carbs and sugar. It's important to note that supplements are not necessary for the keto diet and it's possible to get all the nutrients you need from whole foods. It's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. So how will you know if you are in ketosis? There are a few different ways to test if you are in ketosis. 1. Ketone test strips. These strips, which can be found at most drugstores, are dipped into urine to measure the level of ketones in the body. 2. Blood ketone meter. This device, which is similar to a glucose meter, measures the level of ketones in the blood by pricking your finger and placing a drop of blood on a test strip. 3. Breath analyzer. Some breath analyzers are able to measure the level of acetone in your breath, which is a byproduct of ketosis. It's important to note that while these methods can give you an idea of your ketone levels, they may not be 100% accurate. The most reliable way to determine if you are in ketosis is to look for physical signs and symptoms, such as weight loss, increased energy, and improved focus. It's important to note that the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, and it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting a new diet. So, there you have it, a brief overview of the keto diet. If you're interested in giving it a try, be sure to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right fit for you. If you are interested in some recommended keto supplements, check out the links below. Please note, some of the products and services mentioned on this video may be affiliate links. This means that if you click on a link and make a purchase, I may receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend products and services that I personally use and believe in, and any commissions help to support the maintenance and content creation of this channel. Thank you for your support.